Hi, welcome. Today we are going to study equilibrium constant in gaseous phase. Now, to study this point, we have to consider a reaction of synthesis of ammonia by Haber's process. So, Haber's process, it is a popular method to synthesize ammonia. Now, see the reaction. Nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas to give us ammonia. Okay, now we have to apply law of chemical equilibrium to this equation. So the expression for equilibrium constant can be written as Kc is equal to in square bracket NH3 square upon in square bracket N2 into in another square bracket H2 bracket raised to cube. Okay, now we know that the equilibrium constant is shown by K. Okay, but here we have written Kc. Now why C? Because that NH3, N2 and H2 all are expressed in terms of concentrations. So when we write them into a square bracket, so it is considered as their concentration. So here instead of K we have written Kc because ammonia, N2 and H2 are expressed in terms of concentration. Okay, so this is the expression for equilibrium constant. Now see, if the quantities NH3, N2 and H2 are expressed in terms of partial pressures, the expression for equilibrium constant will be Kp is equal to in square bracket P of NH3 bracket square upon in first bracket P of N2 into in another bracket P of H2 bracket raised to cube. Okay, where that PNH3, PN2 and PH2 are the partial pressures of the respective gases. So what we have changed from the previous equation? So in previous equation we have written equilibrium constant Kc in terms of concentration, but in this second expression we have written here Kp. Now why Kp? Because we have considered the partial pressures, or we have expressed the quantities NH3, N2 and H2 in terms of partial pressure. So instead of C there is now Kp, and in bracket also there is now P, partial pressure of ammonia bracket square upon partial pressure of N2 into partial pressure of H2 bracket cube. Okay, so what we have studied from this? We have studied that the equilibrium constant can be expressed in terms of Kc or Kp. Okay, equilibrium constant can be expressed in terms of Kc or Kp. So when we consider the concentration of that quantities, then we write it as a Kc, and when we consider partial pressures of that quantities, then we have to write Kp. So this is about the equilibrium constant in gaseous phase. Thank you.